Good morning, dear students. This is Amit sir. In the previous lesson, we already learned that computer software is a collection of programming codes or instructions that enable the user to interact with a computer, its hardware, to perform some specific task. Some examples of software are Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Office, Notepad, Wordpad. Also, computer software is further divided into two types: data system software and application software. System software is further categorized as operating system, utility software, drivers, and language processor. We have already learned what is operating system and utility software. Now let's talk about drivers. Drivers or device drivers are some special programs used by the operating system to work with the device or hardware of the computer. Some drivers comes with the operating system, like those for keyboard and mouse. Keyboard and mouse drivers are also pre-installed or built in the BIOS of the system. BIOS stands for Basic Input and Output System. Driver of external devices like printer or scanner or even for our smartphone have to be installed separately in the computer system. Sometimes the popular and generic drivers for printers and other devices are also come with the operating system. The driver may come with the device on a CD or other media like pen drive or in a micro SD card, or it may have to be downloaded from the internet. Whenever you connect any device to your computer system, you need to install its driver first. Otherwise, it will not work properly. For example, when you connect a printer to your computer or a scanner to your computer, you need to install its specific driver either from the internet or from the media that is provided with it, like a CD. Otherwise, the functions of the printer or the scanner will not work. So it is very necessary to install the correct driver. Otherwise, the device will not work properly. The next category of operating system is language processor. A language processor is a software or program that is designed or used to perform tasks such as to processing program codes into machine code and vice versa, means machine codes to program codes. As a computer can only understand the machine language or the instructions in machine code, that is in the form of 0 and 1. It is a tedious task to write a computer program or programming codes directly into machine code. So, nowadays, the programs are written mostly in high level languages with the support of Java, C++, Python, etc. And these written programming codes are called source code. Further, this source code cannot be executed directly by the computer, and must to be converted into machine code or machine language to be executed. Here, the language processor works in background to convert this code to machine language or machine code and vice versa. Language processor is further categorized into three types. Those are compiler, assembler, and interpreter. We will learn more about them in our higher classes. So the main work of the language processor is to convert the high level language or assembly language to machine language or computer language and vice versa. Means the computer language or machine language back to high level language or general English language. So the programmer or user can understand it. That's all for the day. We will discuss about application software in our next class. Take care, stay safe, have a nice day.